My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Volkswagen Golf. This vehicle was done just over 37,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen to the left we can get quick access to radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. To the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, vehicle status and menu. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. Golf also comes with 4 different driving modes to choose from. So we have individual, eco, normal and race. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.